Welcome to this 10-minute Vinyasa yoga class for strength. This is more of an intermediate style class. If you're familiar with Vinyasas, I think you'll enjoy it. If it's a new term for you, I'll link to a couple videos in the comments in case you want to explore Vinyasas a little more. When you're ready, come to the top of your mat. I will meet you there. In our Vinyasas, we link one breath to one movement. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, and exhale, fold over your legs. Inhale, find a half lift. Exhale, send your right foot back, lower the knee down. Inhale, lift up the heart, maybe arms to the sky, and exhale, lower hands to frame your foot. Inhale, plant your right hand and open your left arm to the sky. Exhale, left hand back to the floor. Inhale your front heel all the way to the sky for three-legged dog. And exhale, draw it across your body to your right elbow. Exhale, left elbow. And then exhale, knee to nose. Pause here at center as you press the ground away. Inhale. Exhale, step your foot back to one-legged plank. Flex your foot. Inhale here. Exhale, shift forward on your back toes and lower all the way to the floor. Inhale, cobra or upward dog. And exhale up and back for your downward dog. Take one full breath. And keep flowing. Inhale your right heel high. And stepping your foot forward, lower your back knee down. Inhale, rise for your low lunge. Exhale, release your hands to frame your foot. Lift your back knee, plant your left hand, and inhale, twist to the right. Exhale, release your hand to the floor. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to left elbow. You got it. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, right elbow. Inhale, lift. And exhale, knee to nose. Pause here at center. Inhale, press the floor away. Engage your core. Extend your foot behind you, one-legged plank, and hold. Inhale, rock forward on your toes, and exhale, lower all the way down. Inhale, heart shines forward, cobra pose, and exhale, downward dog. Take a full breath here to reset. Bend your knees, walk or step forward, and exhale over your legs. Inhale, rise all the way up to stand, arms overhead. Bending your elbows, cactus arms, broad across your heart. Inhale, arms to the sky. Soft knees as you exhale, left, open arms. Inhale up tall, and other side, exhale. Inhale all the way up, and fold forward. Flat back as you breathe in. Step your left foot back and maybe stay lifted on your toes as you inhale up to a high lunge. Palms together, take a twist to the right, elbow to knee. Pause here. Keep your back leg straight. Option to open your arms wide here in your twist. And exhale your right hand down to the floor. Take hold of your right big toe. Pivot to the outer edge of your back foot. And maybe right foot to the inner left leg for tree pose in your side plank. Nice job. Exhale the hand down. Draw your knee to your nose to stabilize the spine. Flex your foot. Send a straight leg behind you, one-legged plank. And lowering down one-legged to your belly. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Take a full breath. Inhale your left heel to the sky, other side. Step your foot forward for your lunge. Rise to a crescent lunge. And exhale, palms to prayer. Take a twist. Connect your right elbow to your left thigh. Press your top hand down to spin your heart to the left. Option to inhale your arms open. And exhale, return the hand to the floor. Take hold of your left big toe. Pivot on your back foot to find side plank. And then try sole the foot to the inner leg. You got it. You might fall, no big deal. Inhale. And exhale your left hand down, your knee to your nose. Stabilize here. Find one-legged plank, strong flex of your back foot. Rock forward on your toes and lower all the way down. Relax tops of feet to the mat. Inhale, cobra or upward dog. Exhale up and back for downward facing dog. Bend your knees and look forward. Walk all the way up. And exhale over your legs. Inhale, reach all the way up to stand. Cactus arms, breathe out, stretch across your chest. Inhale, reach your arms to the sky and take a twist to the right. Inhale, lift up nice and tall. Other side, breathe out. Inhale to lift and exhale, bow all the way forward. Rise to a half lift. Plant your hands. Step both feet back to plank. Swivel to the outer edge of your left foot, side plank. Exhale, center. Inhale, other side. Exhale, center. We're going to keep this rocking going. Connect to your own breath pace. You've got it. One more time. Exhale back to center. Pause here, and then lift your hips high, downward facing dog. Full breath. Inhale, wave forward back to plank. You got it. Lower your knees. Come all the way down to your belly. Take tops of feet to the floor. Lift your head, your chin, your heart, finding cobra, maybe low, maybe a little higher. We're staying a few breaths here, strengthening the muscles on the back side of your body. Stay with your breath even when we hold these poses. Exhale, release all the way to the floor. Take your right cheek to the floor. Bend your right leg for half frog. So right knee comes out onto the ground, closer to your right hip. Maybe left arm at a 90-degree angle. So if I were to look down at you, you'd look a little bent. 90 degrees in left elbow, 90 degrees in the right hip and knee. And return to center. Take your time resetting. Bend your right elbow. Turn your other cheek to the floor. Bend your left knee. Breathe into any place that needs it. Come back to center. Frame your ribs with your hands to press up to all fours. And take your time coming to your easy seat. Cross your left foot outside your right knee. Take a twist to the left. Counter twist, inhale right. Settling into your breath here. And inhale back to center. If it feels good on your knees, we'll roll over the legs. Send your feet out left and right. Hands forward, drop your belly, inhale. And then a fun little spin. Keep your feet on the floor. lifting your hips, straighten your legs, and spin. You'll come back to your seat, other leg on top. Take a twist to the right. Inhale back through center. A twist to the left. Take a couple breaths. Inhale back through center. Bring your hands to the floor in front of you. Send your feet out left and right, keeping front knee lined up over the back knee. Inhale, lift your heart. And exhale back. Come to a comfortable seat, maybe sitting on your heels if that feels good. Take a final breath. Let it all go. Thank you for practicing with me. Have a great rest of the day.